Hey everyone, want to create videos from images in Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to turn a static image into an AI-generated video step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, start a new project and choose the *** image to video * AI generation tool. Now upload the image you want to animate. Using a clear, high-resolution image with a well-defined subject usually produces better results. After uploading your image, write a detailed prompt describing how you want it to move. Include information about camera movement, subject motion, lighting, background changes, and the overall visual style. Next, adjust the available settings, such as video length, aspect ratio, motion intensity, or quality, depending on the options available in your version of Runway ML. Click Generate * and wait while Runway ML creates your AI video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and see if it matches your vision. If needed, update your prompt or settings and generate another version to improve the animation. After you're satisfied with the final result, export your video using your preferred quality and save it to your device. And that's how to create videos from images in Runway ML. With a high-quality image and a detailed prompt, you can transform still photos into engaging AI-powered videos in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.